guys, Charlie. Charlie, we get guests. We get guests. We get guests today. We get guests today.
Yes, sir.
Yo, bro, Charlie, welcome to the stream, bro. Charlie, welcome to the stream, bro.
Thank you for having
Charlie, bro,
us.
welcome, Baba.
Wagwan.
Everything irate, everything vibely.
We there.
Bro, Charlie, this is Benny, and this is Alex, Charlie.
Yes, sir.
Naughty by nature.
Yeah,
How did it
yeah,
come
yeah.
about, bro? Like,
We just lock in from one side, flipping through beats. Alex play the beats. Immediately I hear the beats.
crazy.
Catch some vibe, we check it from there.
Let's get it.
I be hanging with the guys in the evenings. Take shots on the morning, this is my system. Just left from back, so mood next. Bad girl say she wanna get the business. Got Mondays off plus a weekend. I can pull up anytime in between that. Give her a round of a push you got. She love me buying it, she ain't learn that. Now you buying it, she ain't learn that. Said she never says it with a bestie, but I doubt that. What she doing back, got a nigga playing faction. I can have a sound, then I give it to the trap, yeah. Most these niggas crippled, they ain't working when they preaching. Always in the news for the wrong reasons. And my neighbors figure I've been nuisance. Cause this music too loud in the speakers.
I be hanging with my bitches in the evening. Taking shots, ginseng in my system. Money on my mind, no, I never listen. Every move getting closer to the millions. You love it when I'm toxic. Baby, come sit on this rocket. Love how you drop it. Pop it and lock it. Go crazy and rock it. Just don't stop it.
Charlie, me, I see the picture. Oh. I see the picture. Oh. Nah. As it starts now, I see you catch some two girls be with and they
Come on.
You understand?
Yes.
Then as then they mind their own monitor. Hey, they try to run some business. No, I thought they gonna shall make you put it pop. Then the girl they go hit down, make toxic to him. Small. Say where you they go pull them back, bend down for me, girl.
Money on my mind, no, I never listen.
That's it, bro.
I be hanging with my bitches in the evening. Taking shots, ginseng in my system. Money on my mind, no, I never listen. Every move getting closer to the millions. You love it when I'm toxic. Baby, come sit on this rocket. Love how you drop it, pop it and lock it. Go crazy and rock it, just don't stop it. We been running town. You wanna know you ain't from around. Riverbank, we puffin' on loud. I'm Barcelo, I made Papa proud. What you know now? Big checks on deck, bad one call, ain't got the news on text. What you know now? You know what's next? Got you tripping off the flex, yeah, boy, been blessed. What you know now?
I be hanging with the guys in the evenings. Take shots on the morning, this is my system. Just left from back, so
Enchua, Charlie.
Got Mondays off plus the weekend. I can pull up anytime in between them. You a round of applause, she got good head. And she know they buy nature, she ain't learned that.
Yo,
So then they ask about a song. It just be normal Accra nightlife vibe,
you feel me?
Yeah, what goes on in the city,
Shit,
Yeah.
I feel you. You just be naughty where you want to make them know. So you guys for picture the naughtiness for your head inside. Like the whole process. That's why they listen to hip hop. That's why we always get like something to talk about. You feel me? You guys they listen to Afrobeat in a different way, right? With different emotions. We they listen to hip hop in a different way, different emotions. Hip hop is supposed to be a lifestyle, our lifestyle, right? So the way you live, you talk about it, you feel me? You package it, talk about it in a way that sends a message out there, telling people about what you see around you or what you experience or what you feel like someone is experiencing.
Yeah, facts.
You feel me?
That be entirely music.
You feel me? So if they listen to the hip hop, if for the full on plus your mind and the pictures, then we forget them.
Yes, sir.
You feel me? Yeah, Charlie. Bro, let's go.